Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our nurses na nanonood ngayon sa ating live. No? Nandito na naman tayo, panibagong kwentuhan, panibagong topic na pag-uusapan. And now we have a very special guest. Pero bago ko po siya pakilala, papakilala ko lang po yung sarili ko. My name is Janica. I'm the recruitment supervisor of Town Kids, and today we'll be discussing about the Town Kids Inside Story from learner to leader, Sir Lemuel's humble journey with Town. So, hi, Sir Lemuel. Good evening there in the US. Tama po, sir?
Tama. Good evening po sa inyo, Ma'am Janica, Ma'am April. Hello.
Ayan. And good evening also, sir, no, to our viewers right now. Ayan.
Good
Okay.
evening din sa inyo.
Na parang kinakabahan pa kayo, sir, no? And actually, this is my first time, no, na makausap si Sir Lemuel. And I believe our viewers, sir, they're very curious, no? Sino kaya si Sir Lemuel? And ano yung role na piniplay niya kay Town Kids, no? And bakit siya nandito ngayon? Sir, can you give us a very quick story lang, sir, kung paano kayo nag-start kay Town and currently nasa na po kayo ngayon ng journey ninyo?
Well, I started as a home health nurse dito sa New Jersey and um, medyo mahirap. It was a hard journey for me since I have zero clinical experience being in the BPO industry for almost 12 years. Halos after kong graduate, nagtrabaho ako BPO industry na kagad. So I really have no clinical experience. So when I got here, it was really challenging for me, but everybody helped me. My co-nurses, the management, and everybody was there to help me build my confidence as a home health nurse. And I became an effective nurse, and that paved the way for me to like be offered the position of case management. So here I am right now.
Okay. So, thank you with that, sir, no? And para po sa mga nurses natin na nanonood, Sir Lemuel, wala po siyang any clinical experience, but right now, he is one of our case managers in town, no, sir? Let's start with that, with the question, sir, na was there a moment po you realized na during, syempre, starting as a pediatric nurse, no experience back in the Philippines, you were growing beyond clinical skills into a leadership role, which is being a case manager?
Well, way back home in the Philippines when I was starting in the BPO industry, um, ganun din, mahirap din yung work and I had the skills that led me to be promoted as a trainer. So I have little experience. I also have experience with the leadership role, but I never thought that I can apply the same thing here in New Jersey. So what I did, I followed my instincts. I worked hard as a nurse. I followed all protocols. I made sure that I study my cases. And there came to a point when the case management role was offered, but then I thought that probably it's not yet time for me. Sabi ko, I still need to, you know, hone my skills and develop like a routine where I can say that I am a very good or an amazing nurse for my clients. So when the time came that it was offered to me, I thought that, hey, this is already an opportunity and I cannot let it pass. I grabbed the opportunity and now here I am working as a case manager with Town Kids.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, no? And along your journey, sir, were there mentors po or leaders that inspired you to take that leadership role?
First and foremost, Jen, I would like to thank her for inspiring me for this role. Actually, siya nga yung nag-push sa akin na that I can take this role on. But she did tell me that if it's not for you, it's not going to be for you. But if it's for you, it's meant to be. Darating yan. And I believed her. I believed her. I was so happy that the management saw something in me that I can be effective in this role, in this position. And when I was hired, when I started with the case management role, nandyan si Jazz and si Say, they both helped me become the case manager that I am right now. They helped me with all the skills that I have right now. They trained me, and I owe my successes to them, and of course to Jen.
Wow, thank you so much, sir, no? And Sir, given na nanggaling ka rin as a nurse, pediatric nurse, and you starting from that position, of course, you have the first-hand experience, diba, sir, in terms of how it is as a pediatric nurse working in the field, no? So how do you support nurses, sir, that you once were? Na paano mo sinusuportahan, tinutulungan yung mga nurses na nasa posisyon mo na ngayon or nasa posisyon mo dati?
Well, as a case manager, we do what you call the new case orientations to our nurses. So meron kaming nurses na will be deployed to a new client. Say, for example, their respective patients got hospitalized, so they have no choice. They have to take on a different case. So case managers are responsible for orienting them what type of client they will be working with. So we provide them all the information that they need for them to succeed and for them to be able to properly take care of their clients. On top of that, being a case manager to tenured nurses, what we do is we make sure that they are updated with the plan of care. Say for example, may mga bagong order si doctor or may mga bagong requests ang ating mga parents, we update them within our app. That way, all the nurses are in line and are in sync with our goal, which is of course to provide the utmost care for our clients.
Okay. So, sobrang hands-on, sir, no?
Yes, definitely.
Mm. Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, lahat, sir, no, yan din po talaga naririnig namin. Feedback talaga from our nurses din. Talagang hands-on. And given, sir, no, mostly na nag-handle din ng mga nurses natin ay Filipino or co-Filipino nurse. Sir, how do you think it will help our future nurses knowing na they will be handled by their co-Filipino nurses also?
Well, we've heard stories about Filipinos, OFWs working in foreign countries, and they feel scared, they feel isolated if they're working on a foreign country and they don't have any kababayans working with them. So it is, I think, definitely a very big advantage for our nurses to know that they will be working with Filipinos, especially dito sa Town Kids. All our nurses are Filipinos. So you can always ask anybody. Lahat naman sila helpful. And your bosses, your case managers, meron tayong mga case managers na Filipinos din. Our ADON is a Filipino. So everybody here will help the nurses succeed because if they don't succeed, mahihirapan ng town to take care of our clients. So we have to make sure that our nurses are doing their best and they are at their best position to care for our clients because if not, then we will be out of business, right? So it's
Mhm.
best, I think that's an advantage, thinking that there's a Filipino who will guide you along the way to teach you how to take care of our clients. Mas magaan yung pakiramdam if, 'di ba, if kababayan mo yung kasama mong nagtatrabaho.
Mhm. Yes, sir. And actually, hindi man ma-appreciate for now ng mga nurses na nasa Pilipinas. Pero, ibang-iba talaga, sir, kapag kapwa Pilipino mo rin yung katrabaho mo, given na nasa
Yes.
ibang bansa na kayo. And,
Oh, yeah.
was that also a factor sa iyo, sir? Kung bakit mas naging madali rin for your own growth na you are handled by Miss Chenlen, Miss Jazz, or also Miss Say?
Oh, yes. It was easy for me to transition from a home care nurse to case management because they expected me to commit mistakes. It was not, there was room for me to grow. And at the same time, there was a lot of opportunities presented to me na actually hindi naman siya ini-spoon-fed to me, but
Mm.
you would feel that these people, namely Miss Jen, Jazz, and say, all they want is for me to succeed. So they're doing their best to impart their knowledge to me because if they get successful, if I get successful, they get successful as well, and the company as a whole will be effective and will be successful too. So uh, I think yung mentorship ni Jen for me uh, did push me a lot into like embracing this role. And again, here I am as a case manager, and I'm taking care of clients and nurses right now at the same time.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for that service for our nurses but also to the patients, no, of New Jersey. Yan. So now let's proceed, sir, sa next question ko, no. How did working with Town, sir, help you in your career and of course in your life then in general, sir?
Well, for my career as a nurse, Town reignited my passion to become a nurse. Like what I said, I was in the BPO for a long time, and it was not even in the medical field. I only started working as a BPO nurse probably 5 or 6 years ago. It's not in a clinical position. So going back to Town, they embraced me when I got here. They know that I have zero clinical experience. And they exactly know how to train nurses, whether they're newly graduates or matagal ka nang graduate as a nurse tapos wala kang experience. They have the trainings, the support in order for the nurse to succeed. So it helped me become a good nurse and an amazing nurse actually for my clients. And as a person, it helped me develop self-confidence. Kasi when I got here, takot nga ako. I don't know how to do
Mhm.
treatment. I don't know how to perform these types of interventions. Pero because of their trainings, because of their confidence in me, I built my own confidence. And now, marunong na akong, alam ko nang gawin yung mga interventions na yon. And eventually, that led me to, again, being selected or promoted as a case manager.
Mhm. And sir, I think aside, no, so can we safely say na talagang Town Kids is a safe space to work even if you don't have any hospital experience?
Yes, definitely. We have young nurses here. We have, I don't want to say old, but we have aged nurses here as well in all different backgrounds, different coming from different races and everything. Sa mga saan man probinsya nang galingan, whether you're from Metro Manila or you're from Mindanao, kahit anong dialects ka pa nang galing, they will help you succeed. Meron tayong trainings, nandyan sila Miss Jen, nandyan sila Jazz, they do their trainings and they don't pick on people. Kung saan ka man
Mhm.
nanggaling, kung matagal ka nang graduate as a nurse or bagong graduate ka pa lang, they will make sure that before you get deployed to our clients, you are well trained and that you are well aware of the situation that that you will be put in.
Mhm. Thank you so much, sir. Alam mo, sir, upon hearing those words, no, coming from our case manager himself, no, it's really a way na parang, okay, safe ako kay Town. This is, I can push with my American dream, my long lost American dream. And Town Kids will parang bubuhayin, no, sir, ulit yung hope na you'll
Yes.
be working as a nurse once again and to relieve kung ano yung namatay sa heart nyo kasi nga di naman na kayo nag-nurse. And thank you, sir, no. Sir, ask ko na lang rin, since you don't have any clinical experience, ano po kaya yung nag-push sa inyo na piliin si Town before?
Well, working in the Philippines, I mean, maganda ng trabaho ko. I am already a trainer. I'm able to provide for my family. But then again, the American dream is something that you can't replace. I don't want to lie in my bed, dying bed in the future right now, thinking that, hey, I already had that opportunity and I didn't grab it. So for me, uh, being here in New Jersey, getting my piece of the American dream or my own version of the American dream is something that I would not forget and that I would treasure for the rest of my life. So this for me is one of the best decisions that I made within my life.
Wow, thank you, sir. No? I think mag-iiyak na yung mga nurse natin na nanonood,
Wow.
sir, ngayon. Pero sir, inspiration talaga kasi mostly of the nurses here in the Philippines, no, they don't have that time to go back in bedside kasi nga we know naman how the situation is, no, and they tend
Yes.
to go to a different pathway because they have family to feed, no, and Town Kids given na nagkaroon ng this opportunity for them to relive that dream. And with that, sir, ano kayang secret ni Sir Limuel kung
Wow.
bakit andyan siya ngayon sa posisyon na yan?
I think perseverance. I think that's one of the things that I am proud of. I've been through so many difficulties in my life, there was a point na I really gave up and thought about that bad thing. But there is still something in me that told me to, give it a little more, give it a little more push, give it a little one more try and see where will it take you. So, for me, yung pag-persevere ko para ma-survive lahat ng trials and problems with my life that pushed me to become what I am right now. So, sa mga listeners natin na you think it's already too late for you to start your American dream, it's never too late. You would never know if you don't try, right? And I hope that yung sa mga nawawalan ng pag-asa dyan, if meron man, di ba? Meron tayong mga nurses na they think they're already too old or they're already not ready for this position. Why not give it a try? Malay nyo, ito pala yung calling nyo talaga in life. Like for me, I never thought 5 years ago that I will be in this position, but where am I right now? I'm here, I'm thriving, and I'm helping a lot of clients, and I'm helping our co-nurses as well. So there.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Ito, sir, last question na, no? Um, I know you're a very busy person. For my last question, sir, what do you look forward, sir? Ano yung nilulook forward mo ba as you go along with your career? What anything that you'd like to move forward pa, sir?
Well, I'm looking forward to, inspiring nurses as well. Uh, that whatever predicament you are in right now, kung nahihirapan sila sa job nila, just stay strong, just stay positive. Um, I am looking forward to helping our co-nurses as well, our colleagues to succeed. Kasi tayo-tayo lang rin naman ang magtutulungan dito eh. Hindi tayo dapat naghihilhan pababa, di ba? So we help each other. And like what I said earlier, if the nurse succeeds, management succeeds, we provide the best utmost care to our clients and everybody's happy. So that's something to look forward to. And also, being a case manager, I don't think that would be my peak. I'm still looking forward to learn a lot more about this position. Marami pa akong kakaining bigas, marami pa akong gustong matutunan, and I'm open to that. Whatever opportunity comes in my way, if I think that it would be beneficial for me and for my family, then why not? So, yun lang yung mga things na I still look forward to.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Limwell. No? Bago po natin i-end to, I know we've touched a lot of nurses. We've inspired a lot of nurses. Most importantly, sir, yung mga nurses na walang bedside experience, no? This video will really serve as an inspiration para sa kanila. And sir, since you're all the way to New Jersey, no? Baka may gusto po kayong kamustahin, i-shout out, no? Ng mga relatives dito sa Philippines.
Uh, Hi to my family there, sa mga kapatid ko, kay mama, sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa mga pinsan ko na nandyan sa Mindoro, and everybody na mga colleagues, mga classmates ko sa college, sa mga nag-iisip pa dyan, if you want to take the NCLEX or if you want to start your American dream, it is possible. I am a living proof of that. A lot of you know that 10 years ago, nobody thought that, I would still be in this type of position. Everybody already wrote me off. Akala nila pariwara na yung buhay ko. But, things change. And it still depends on the person's goal or dreams kung ano mangyayari sa buhay nila. So, just wanted to say hi to everyone, and may mga ano ko diyan, may mga kinausap ako diyan ng mga classmates ko before. Hopefully, mapanood nila tong video na to. So, kilala niyo na kung sino kayo. Yun lang.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Limuel. Thank you for that. Thank you for sharing us your story, your humble journey with Tao. No, humble journey indeed. No, from
Thank you.
someone na hindi natin sure from until now na parang ayan. So actually, sir, I'm speechless no upon hearing your story. And I know everybody else is also. Ayan. So thank you so much again, Sir Limuel. And
You're welcome.
to all of our viewers, Maraming maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. If you want to have another discussion with Sir Limuel, mag-isip po tayo ng other topics, so we're open to listen. So once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Mag-iingat po tayong lahat.
Thank you so much. Thank you all.